All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look here at this problem. We've got a polynomial function, and this time it's partially factored. It's not completely factored. Um, what we want to do is to come in and we can fill out part of the table pretty easily. If we add 3 and divide by 2, that'll give us 1, 0, and that has a multiplicity of 4. And so that's crossing, no, excuse me, it's even. So that's touching the x-axis and then turning. Here at x plus 3, and a 0 is going to be negative 3. And its multiplicity is 3, which is odd, so it's a cross. And we're going to have to factor this 24x squared plus 10x minus 25. All right. We don't need to necessarily do that to answer this end behavior, but since I've written it over here, I'm going to go ahead and do it now. I don't see a common factor between the terms. If I put my middle term at the bottom of my x, and I have no idea what 24 times the negative 25 is, but it's going to be a big value, negative 600. All right, so two numbers would multiply together to give us this 600, but when added give us 10. That should do it, right? Boy, I'm tired. I'm slow. Huh. Yeah, that works. Our first term and our last term go along one diagonal, and the two values that we found in the x go along the other diagonal. These have a common factor of 5. These have a common factor of negative 5. These have a common factor of 4x. And these have a common factor of 6x, right? Now, all right. So that, let's come back up to our polynomial and write it in factored form. They already did this part of the factoring for us, 2x minus 3 to the 4th, x plus 3 to the 3rd. And now this trinomial, through this x method, we factored it to 4x plus 5 and 6x minus 5. All right, so that's going to give us 2 more zeros. If we set this equal to 0, this factor, and solve, it's 2 steps, subtract 5 and divide by 4. And here, add 5 and divide by 6. Both of those have a multiplicity of 1. That's an odd number, so both of those is a cross. All right, let's come back up here. With our end behavior, the degree of this, 4 plus 3 is 7, 8, 9, so the degree is odd. And the leading coefficient uh, 2x to the fourth, so 2 to the fourth, 3 to the third, 4 times 6. Okay, I'm not going to multiply that out. Well, it's 16 times 27 times 4 times 6, but it's definitely a positive number. So it's going up to the right. And since it's odd, I think I've accidentally had all of them be like this, haven't I? Because that's choice 2. Oh well, sorry about that. The y-intercept, if we plug in 0 into the polynomial, now I am going to have to do some multiplying, aren't I? Negative 3 to the fourth. Well, I'm going to let the calculator do it. I'm not going to do it. All right. Negative 3 to the fourth, though, we know that's 81. And we know that 3 to the third is 27. And we know that 5 times negative 5, that's negative 25. Wow. Negative 54,675. Negative 54,675. So that is way down here. And that's this guy. That's that y-intercept. So I think that's all. I don't think I took the time to try to make graphs here. All right, so that should be it on that one, right? Yeah. I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.